Right, so my camera went wrong there, so saying this bit goes here. And then got this bit here, it looks like it goes to those three holes there, go on to those three holes there, and that's pretty much about it really. That's those ones. And those two holes there. That's pretty easy. Well, that was that. So that is that. And this black bit here was last week's. This week was these two metal bits here, which were 55 was the silver bit, X-axis belt holder, and print head bracket, and this is print head bracket, and some 4 bolts. That's pretty simple. Well, that's it. I know these might seem pretty boring, but we're slowly getting there. So thanks for watching. Bye.